Today, we are diving into a topic that affects us all: how social media is harmful to Indian youth. By the end of this video, you will understand the various negative impacts social media has on our young generation, and you will also learn some tips to use it more responsibly. Stick around as this information can help you or someone you know live a healthier digital life. If you enjoy content like this, hit the subscribe button and visit my blog for more insights. In this video, we will explore 8 key questions like: what are the key negative impacts of social media on Indian youth? How is social media increasing crime? How can you get out of social media addiction? And 5 other questions. Who is most affected by social media overuse? It's primarily the youth aged 9 to 17 in India. What happens when they spend over 3 hours daily on social media? The research shows it leads to addiction, higher risks of depression, anxiety, body image issues, cyberbullying, and a harmful focus on validation through likes and shares. When they are glued to their screens, where do you think they are losing out? That's right, they miss out on real-life social interactions and family engagements. This brings us to our next question. How does social media addiction impact students' academic performance? Well, when students spend over 3 hours daily on social media, what happens to their study time? It drastically reduces, leading to lower grades and poorer academic achievements. Why are they distracted? Because social media continuously pulls them away from their studies, making it hard to focus. And this lack of focus often leads to poor participation in classroom activities and extracurriculars. Have you ever thought about the impact of late night social media use on sleep? It leads to irregular sleep schedules, impairing cognitive function and learning. So, this brings us to our next question. Where does social media addiction hit harder, in urban or rural areas? Increasingly, urban students tend to be more addicted compared to their rural counterparts. However, a substantial number of rural students also face this issue. What are the common risk factors? Excessive time spent online, often 1 to 5 hours per day, and frequent smartphone usage. Why do urban students suffer more from negative mental health outcomes like depression, anxiety, and stress compared to rural students? It's because they use social media more frequently and intensely. Now, let's look at another concerning aspect. Before we move forward, if you find this information useful, let me know by leaving a comment below. Your feedback motivates me to create more videos for you. How is social media contributing to crime? It enables new types of crime known as performance crimes, where criminals record and post their misdeeds online for attention. What about online violence and harassment? The anonymity on social media platforms contributes to an increase in these cybercrimes, especially targeting women. How does social media amplify certain crimes? It spreads hate crimes and online abuse, making them more widespread. But there's a flip side. How can we use social media safely? Start by being selective with friend requests and managing your privacy settings. Why should you avoid oversharing personal details? Because it can be misused by malicious actors. How can strong passwords and two-factor authentication help? They add an extra layer of security to your accounts. And remember to report and block abusive behavior. Now let's see how we can reduce social media addiction. What are some of the effective ways to break free from social media addiction? Set time limits for social media usage and engage in other activities like hobbies, exercise, or spending time with family. Why should you practice mindfulness? It helps you become aware of unnecessary urges to check social media. Can disabling notifications help? Yes, it reduces the constant temptation to check your phone. How can you replace social media with more productive activities? Engage in hobbies, exercise, learn new skills, or spend quality time with loved ones. Why is it beneficial to schedule social media breaks? It helps you focus on more meaningful activities. What about finding alternatives? You can try journaling, volunteering, or taking an online course instead of scrolling through feeds. How can a social media detox improve your mental health? It can reduce anxiety and depression, enhance focus and productivity, and improve self-esteem by disconnecting from the pressure of presenting a perfect life online. Why does a detox help with better sleep? It reduces exposure to blue light, improving sleep quality. How does it foster genuine relationships? It creates more opportunities for real-life interaction, which help in fostering genuine relationships. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please comment below and let me know your thoughts. Your engagement motivates me to create more content for you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next video. You can check out the videos that are on your screen if you have liked this video.